Hello guys, this is KOSCHEAL 2000 watt LED glow light. Now let me see what is inside the package. Open the package. Well, you can see the package is strong enough to withstand rough hanging. Now you can see there is one piece lifting rope, one power cord, and one piece hanging kit. This is product manual. Please read the product manual before use the light. The last one is the product. The product length is 15.8 inch. The width is 8.3 inch. The thickness is 2.4 inch. We can see the product case material is aluminum. We can see there are total 596 LED SAMSUNG DIODES. And now let us turn it over. Now we can see there are 3 fans used for heat dissipation. This port is for daisy chain. This is power cord port. And we can according both switch to adjust VEG mode, bloom mode, or full spectrum mode. Now let us light it up and test the output power. Now we need to insert power cord. And now let us turn on the VEG mode. Now we can see here. Let us adjust to 110 wattage. Now we can see the VEG mode power is 119 watts. And now we turned off VEG switch and turn on bloom switch. And we still can see the output power is 100 watts. Now let us turn on both switches. And we can see in the full spectrum mode, the output power is 214 watts. Okay, thanks Eric guys. Now my instruction up to here.
Okay, that's all for my presentation. If you love my video, follow us please.